Hello again and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain why 95% of meme coin traders are losing money and how you can avoid making the same mistakes. Meme coins are exciting, they move fast, they create massive hype, and yes, some people really do get rich with meme coins. But here's the hard truth: for every winner, thousands of people lose everything. So let's talk about the top 5 reasons why that happens. Reason number 1 is the fear of missing out on the next hype. Many traders jump in when they see a coin trending on TikTok or X, but by then it's usually too late. The price is already at its peak and it crashes right after. Remember Dogecoin back in 2021? Right before Elon Musk went on Saturday Night Live, the price pumped and everyone thought it was going to the moon. But during the show, the coin dumped nearly 40% and people who bought the top got wrecked. Reason number 2 is that meme coins have no real utility. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, meme coins don't solve any real problems. They don't have a roadmap or utility, and when the hype fades, so does the price. Think about all the Dogecoin copycats like Floki, Inu or Dog with Hat. They spiked for a short while and then crashed because there was nothing behind them except a funny meme. You don't want to get into a meme coin with the idea that it will become the next Bitcoin. It won't happen. Memes are attention based, and when the attention goes away, so does the money. Reason number 3 why people keep losing money is getting into pump and dump schemes. The majority of meme coins are designed for quick money grabs. Here's how it goes. Developers and insiders pump a coin, and when there's enough liquidity in the market, they sell their positions, leaving newcomers holding the bag. A good example is the Squid Game token in 2021. It shot up over 40,000% until the developers and insiders pulled the rug and disappeared with the millions. People lost everything overnight. Reason number 4 is poor risk management. This one hurts the most. I see a lot of beginning traders investing way too much money in a meme coin. They hope to get a 5 or 10x overnight, but they forget to set profit targets or use a proper stop loss, and when the price falls, they get wrecked. One trader on Reddit turned $5,000 into $60,000 on Shiba Inu, but instead of selling, he held on, waiting for more. When the hype died, his $60,000 was worth less than $2,000. You can't be too greedy with meme coins. And then there's reason number 5, which are liquidity traps. Some meme coins are literally impossible to sell. They are called honeypots. You can buy the token, but the contract has been programmed so you can't cash out when you want to sell the coin. Other tokens have low liquidity, meaning you can't exit without crashing the price. And of course, rug pulls are everywhere when dealing with these coins. So how can we protect ourselves against these scams? Here are 5 important rules. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Think of meme coins like buying a lottery ticket. It's a lot of fun, but it's also very risky. You should never gamble your rent or savings. Don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose, or you will end up in serious problems. Flipping meme coins can be addictive, and if you don't follow a strict strategy, you'll risk losing all your money fast. Rule number 2 is to never follow advice from influencers on X or join call groups on Telegram or Discord. This is a harsh truth, but most people who claim to have insider knowledge are out to dump their tokens on you and take your money as fast as possible. Always do your own research and don't listen to anyone. Check if the dev of the coin has a history of creating scam coins by looking at the dev tokens. Here you can see all the coins he or she created and how many got to migration. If a dev has launched hundreds of coins and no one migrated, that's a big red flag. Also check if the token distribution is fair and whether the community is legit or if it's just a bunch of bots spamming X. I use Axiom Pro for meme coin trading because it's a stable platform with super low fees and tons of tools to help you research coins and find out the scam tokens. You also get rewarded with free Solana. The more you trade, the more Solana you get. I have a special Axiom Pro invitation link for you that will give you a discount on all your trading fees, so check it out below in the description. To find out which meme coins are hot, you can go to the Vision tab. Here you see which coins the KOLs are buying. Open their trading activity and it will give you a sense of what the narrative is. I don't recommend you to copy trade these wallets as you will get liquidated. Just look at what these traders are buying to find out the current meta. Track the coins they are buying, do your research, and if there is enough volume and the narrative is hot, wait for a healthy retracement and then you can get in a trade. If you have the Show All Bubbles feature on, you can see all the trades by the traders that you follow, and you can also track their entries and the trades panel in real time. To find out on which platform the trending coins are created, use the Jupiter Pro Launchpad. PumpFun is still the biggest meme coin platform, followed by Bonk and Bags, so you want to select these in your Pulse filters. Meme coins are 100% based on attention. You can bet that if Elon Musk tweets a picture of a cat called Oscar, a ton of cat coins with the same name will be created and people will buy it. Attention is where the money is flowing. A smart trick to find out if a coin is getting popular is by copying the contact address and look it up on X. Paste the token address in the search bar, and if a lot of posts mention the token and many people are talking about it, that's a positive sign. Another method to see if a meme coin is original is by entering the token name in the search field on Axiom. If a whole list of coins show up, then we are dealing with a copycat token, so it's best to avoid it. To find out if a token is bundled, you can use the Uxento Chrome browser extension. It's free and it allows you to quickly see how many insider wallets are buying the token. The more wallets are bundled, the more risk that the coin will rug. In addition to Axiom Pro, I also use Telegram bots. These bots are lightning fast, which is very important if you want to quickly get in or out of a trade. And the best ones that I like to use are the Bloom bot for fast scalping coins and TradeWiz for copy trading. If you don't want to get wrecked by copy trading, I recommend you to watch my TradeWiz video, where I explain how to copy trade profitable wallets the right way. I have links to the Telegram bots and the video in the description below. Rule number 3 to stop losing money is don't buying meme coins during the peak hype. If everyone's already talking about a coin, you're probably too late to the party. The smart money bought weeks ago, so they have an advantage over you. Just relax and wait for a healthy retracement if there is enough volume in the market, and enter a trade when the bottom is reached. The RSI indicator and the Fibonacci retracement tool are useful tools to help you find the bottom and plan your exit strategy. Rule number 4 is have an exit plan. Decide ahead of time when it's time to take profits. For example, you can first sell your initials, then sell 50% of your bag if it doubles, sell some more if it does a 5 or 10x, and leave a little in case it moons. This way you are playing with house money and protect your capital at the same time. If you use Axiom, you can easily do this with the advanced trading option. Enter the percentage that you want to sell your coins after you get in, and how much of your position you want to sell if the price goes up or down, and the orders will be automatically set for you if you buy a coin. The last rule, number 5, is diversify and don't put all your Solana in one meme coin, so one rug pull doesn't destroy you. Meme coins are high risk, high reward, and most traders lose money because they chase the hype, they fail to plan or get caught in scams. If you stay disciplined, do your proper research and manage your risk, you can trade without going broke. I recommend you, if you are new or a beginner to meme coins, to stay away from newly launched coins. Most of these coins are scams. You can hide the column in Pulse by clicking on Design, go to Extras and remove the New Pairs column. This will save you a lot of money. Another tip for beginners is to visit DEX Screener, where the more established coins are listed. Look for a coin with a decent retracement, open the chart, see if the DEX has been paid, do your research, and if everything looks okay, copy the contact address. When you go back to Axiom, you will find the coin address already filled in. Okay, that's it for this video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment, share this video with a friend, or subscribe to my channel to get all my latest videos first. Have a great day and see you next time.